Hello friends, today I will make Captain America helmet. For that you will need 6 to 8 pages of A4 size papers. You will take a A4 size paper and divide it into two halves and then put some glue on it like this. Then push the other back to the glued one part and press it with your hands a while and then open it like this, and then paste the other one to the glued one part paper like this. Spread it with your hands a while, then it will be stuck like this. It will look like this. This A4 size paper you have to make 4. This I have made in the 4 A4 size paper. Then take a pencil and draw the mask of Captain America on it and then cut it with the help of scissors like this. And I have cutted the lenses also with the help of scissors, and the legs or the belt of the helmet. We will glue two A4 size paper together with the help of glue and sellotape like this. Like this. You will have to press it a while and then it will be stuck. It will take some time, but it will be stuck with the help of Fevicol. Now put sellotape on it to make it much stronger. Like this. On the back of it I have not given sellotape, only on the front. And we have to measure the length of the mask to the length of the two A4 size paper and cut the extra part of it. Like this. And it will be stuck on the two A4 size paper like this. Then you will measure the length of the A4 size paper to the mask and see that the extra part that is coming, you will mark it with a pencil and cut it with the help of a scissor like this, and put some glue on it and paste the mask on it like this. This will you will do to the other side also with the help of glue. And I have cutted the mark of the eyes to make it appropriate. Then I have glued the part and paste it on the paper. Now you will take the strip that is left and draw the extra parts of the Captain America's helmet. And I have drawn A, capital A, and then I will draw the wings. Draw the wings and cut it out. It will look like this. You will make 2. Our parts are ready. Now fold a paper into 2 halves and then cut it from the sides like this. This you have to make folds on it. This we have made 4 pairs, that means 8 papers, and fold it from one half and do it to the others also like this. This will be on the helmet part to make it fixed with the top part helmet. Now I have made a circle of a ear and cut it like this on the 2 halves. Paste the papers on the mask all the sides like this. It should be folded by the sides like this. Now fold it from one side and measure the length of the top part of the helmet. like this. Put some glue on the flaps of the paper and then paste it on the other A4 size paper like this, and measure the length of it by your hands or a scale. You can take also like this. It will take some time, but it will be stuck, and I have put sellotapes on it to make it much stronger. Now I have made cuts on it to not we will not cut the edges because it will be folded to make it a much stronger like this. Like this. Then glue the flaps on it and then paste it like this. It should look like this. And don't worry about the edges, it will be done soon. And then put sellotapes on it to make it as much stronger like this. Don't worry about the edges, we will cover it. Now put mixture of paste and of glue and water and tissue papers on it like this. I have made the hole but left out the belts. It will look like this. And the under part we have not covered it because it will be on our head like this. Now I have colored it with Prussian blue like this, and then we will cut the flaps of the belt like this. Cut on the both sides of the belt because we will paste the two thick strips of paper on it. I have made the one sticky tape on it to make it much stronger, and then we will cut it from the halves like this. And we have colored it with dark brown, and then we will put sellotapes on the edges of it to look it nice like this. Now paste the extra parts of the helmet on the helmet with the help of glue like this. It should look like this. Now we will measure the length with the help of my specs like this, and then we will paste the belts on it with the help of stapler, glue and sellotape like this. Now to make the velcro of the helmet, we will need a left out A4 size paper part and paste it into two halves like this. Put some glue on it to fold it into one A4 size paper like this. Now fold it into two halves to make it stable to the chin. Fold it into two halves and it will look like this, and then cut the extra part with the help of scissors and paste the helmet's belt on the sides of it, and then staple it from the sides and let the inner part be open. Then if needed, then cut it to the length of the belt, and if not needed, you can left it like this also. Okay, so then put glue and staple it on the sides of the belt and then paste it like this. Our helmet is ready. Please subscribe my channel Craft Ideas, and thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.